Ever wonder why pizza tastes so good? Or why some people hate broccoli? Today, we're going into the biology of taste. Specifically, how your tongue and brain team up to make every bite an adventure. Stick around because we're going to explore taste buds. The 5 basic tastes, and even why some foods taste better to you than others. So, what exactly is taste? Taste, or gustation, is one of our 5 senses, and it's all about detecting chemicals in food. When you eat, molecules from your food interact with your tongue, sending signals to your brain. It's like your mouth is a chemistry lab. But the real stars of the show are your taste buds. You've got about 2,000 to 10,000 of these tiny structures, mostly on your tongue, but also in your throat and mouth. Each taste bud is packed with 50 to 100 specialized cells that detect different flavors. These cells have tiny hairs, called microvilli, that pick up chemical signals from food. When they do, they fire off messages to your brain through nerves. Pretty cool, right? But you've probably heard that different parts of your tongue taste different things, like sweet at the tip, bitter at the back. That's not entirely true. Every taste bud can detect all flavors, though some areas might be a bit more sensitive. Scientists agree there are 5 basic tastes: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. Sweet is what you get from sugars, like in candy or fruit. It's your body's way of saying, hey, this has energy. Sour comes from acids, like in lemons or vinegar. It can warn you about spoiled food. Salty is from, well, salt, and it helps regulate your body's fluids. Bitter, like in coffee or kale, often signals toxins, which is why kids often hate veggies. And umami, that's the savory, meaty flavor in things like soy sauce or mushrooms. It's like a flavor hug. Okay, let's try these. Sweet, like dessert. Sour, whoa, my face is puckering. Salty classic potato chip vibe. Bitter, like my morning espresso. And umami rich and savory, like a good burger. Your taste buds are constantly chatting with your brain to figure out what's safe and nutritious. But taste isn't just about your tongue. It's a team effort. Once your taste buds detect a flavor, they send signals through cranial nerves to your brain's gustatory cortex, which is like the brain's taste headquarters. But your brain doesn't just process taste alone. It mixes in signals from your sense of smell, touch, and even sight to create what we call flavor. That's why food tastes bland when your nose is stuffed up. Turns out smell is half the game. For example, if you blindfold yourself and pinch your nose, a strawberry might just taste sweet, not strawberry-ish. Like it's just sugar without the smell. Just try it out and see the result. Your brain also uses memory and emotion. Ever notice how your grandma's cookies taste better than store-bought? That's because your brain ties taste to feelings and experiences. Ever wonder why some people love spicy food while others can't handle it? Taste preferences vary because of genetics, culture, and experience. For example, some people have a gene that makes bitter foods taste extra intense. That's why they might hate Brussels sprouts. Culture plays a huge role too. In Japan, umami-rich foods like miso are staples, while in Mexico, sour and spicy flavors rule. And get this, kids have more taste buds than adults, which is why they're pickier eaters. As you age, your taste buds regenerate less, so flavors might dull. And that's the main reason why adults are able to drink black coffee without thinking twice. Your experiences shape taste too. If you grew up eating spicy curry, you'll probably love it as an adult. But if you try it for the first time at 30, good luck. This is why food is so personal. It's a mix of biology and biography. So, that's it, folks. The biology of taste is a complex process, going from your tongue to your brain, mixing chemistry, neuroscience, and even your life story. Next time you eat, think about those tiny taste buds working overtime. And if you want a more science like this, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and let me know what topic you want next. And I'll see you in the next video.